Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. With summer in full swing, it's time to cool off with a refreshing drink. Today we are going to make a delightful apple Sharbat. It's also called as Nafrat ka Sharbat. As Nafrat meaning hate, I really don't know why this beautiful drink got that name. If anybody knows about it, let me know in the comment section below. As an initial step, let's soak some saffron in some warm milk and some chia seeds in water. Keep that aside and into a large bowl add some cold milk. Into that add some sugar, mix it nicely until the sugar dissolves. Then add some ice cubes, some cardamom powder, some chopped nuts. Then add the saffron milk to make the milk more yellow color. Then add the chia seeds and mix it. Then here I am adding some grated apple which will give a nice texture for the Sharbat while drinking. Add some more ice cubes and there you have it, our Nafrat ka Sharbat is ready to be enjoyed. Give this recipe a try and let us know how you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more summer specials. Until next time, stay cool and hydrated. Bye bye.